In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Apple TV app. Whether you're setting up a new Windows PC or just want quick access to your favorite shows and movies, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in a clear, simple way. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. You can usually find it on your taskbar, but if it's not there, click the Start button and begin typing Microsoft Store to bring it up. If you see a prompt to update the store, let it complete. Having the latest version helps everything run smoothly. A stable internet connection will make the process quicker and more reliable. Once the store is open, look for the search bar at the top and type Apple TV. Press Enter to see the results. Spelling matters here, so type it exactly as Apple TV to get the right match. The store may show several similar apps and suggestions, so take a second to review the list. Now, select the official Apple TV app from the results. You'll know you've got the right one when you see the familiar Apple TV icon and the publisher listed as Apple Inc. Checking the app's details page is a good idea. Look at the description, screenshots, and ratings to verify you're choosing the genuine app, not a third-party tool. This quick check helps you avoid downloading anything that isn't official. Next, click Install to download the app. On some devices, this button might say, Get before it changes to Install, which is completely normal. If your device asks for permission or shows a brief account prompt, that's just the store confirming your download. Make sure you have enough storage space and keep the Microsoft Store window open so you can monitor progress. Now wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a progress bar showing the download and install status. The time this takes can vary based on your internet speed and system performance. If the download seems slow, avoid putting your computer to sleep, and try to keep your network free of heavy activity. If you encounter a temporary error, a quick refresh of the store or a brief pause and resume often clears it up. When the installation finishes, the button will switch to Open, confirming that the Apple TV app is ready on your device. You can also find it from the Start menu whenever you need it. That's it. You opened the Microsoft Store, searched for Apple TV, selected the official app, clicked Install, and waited for it to finish. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new streaming experience.